Don't you just wish you don't have to like take pills when it's that time of the month? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. That time of the month where you have to like stock up on your Advil. I got some Advil right here, but guess what? I didn't take any of this Advil this month. I am so excited. I wanted to call my mom. I wanted to tell everybody how I was feeling this month because I did not have to take a single pill for the involuntary contractions that I normally would have in my uterus at that time of the month when I'm mensing, when I'm on my cycle, when I'm menstruating, whatever you want to call it. I just call it period. It is a pain that I do not want to feel. So this month I didn't have any pain, guys, and it was amazing. I felt like I was having an orgasm. Okay, let me tell you guys, it was amazing. So point out that I'm not a doctor. Make sure you do your research before you try any of this. Consult your physician if you have one. But yeah, I wasn't gonna do a video, but I decided to jump on here really quickly just to show you guys a few things that I've been doing. I want to talk about them and to actually show you how to make some things that I've been taking that are actually helping me with my fibroids. Now it's the time to say bye-bye period pain. Bye fibroids. I was on contraceptives. My doctor put me on that because they wanted to like stop the blood flow and try to see if they could actually help me with the pain that I was feeling. But I started seeing some changes that were just not right. I didn't like how my tummy was looking. Like it was getting like real scary. So I decided like a couple months ago to just get off the pill. So I'm not on contraceptives anymore, but I actually started doing some home remedies that my mom sent me. Yes, shout out to my mom. Yes. So without further ado, I don't want to be talking too much. So I just wanted to show you guys the first thing that I think is a major contributor to the fact that I do not have period pains anymore. A remedy that is used for shrinking fibroids. I drink every morning, yes, before I eat anything, and maybe it will help you guys too. So let's go to the kitchen. So these are some of the ingredients that I will be using to make the drink. So let's do it. We got some turmeric, some lemon. This is for the rum, and this is peppercorn. So we're gonna be using all of that. And we got some hot water. So we're gonna pour 4 cups of hot water in here in the pot. Excuse the noise. Yeah, excuse the noise, but that's the sound that the pot makes when it's hot. If your pot doesn't make that sound, then something is wrong with it. So yeah, we put some hot water, 4 cups of hot water into the pot, and we want this to boil. Peppercorn, two tablespoons. Ground turmeric, 2 tablespoons. Lemon. All of 2 lemons. And I just dropped this in the pot as well. Rum, two shots, boil. 15 minutes. Just about 10 more minutes to go for the drink that I'm making on the stove right now. I can't wait for it to finish so that I can show you guys what it looks like. Yes. And in that time, I'm gonna prep my salad so that you guys can see what I've been eating. It's not the big dinner that I used to eat, but it's actually something that's filling and something that helps me with my period pains, with my lifestyle, my healthy lifestyle, and the journey that I will continue to do for a very long time. I became plant-based. Yeah, I tried to eat really clean. I tried not to snack. If I'm gonna have a snack, basically this is what I'm gonna be having. So yeah, I try not to eat too many junk food. I eliminated that altogether. I just munch on like pistachios or peanuts. And if I really need to eat something, then I would go for a salad. I wasn't really a salad person, but it took a while for me to adjust, and I finally did it. So yeah, I'm gonna prep my salad with you guys. So if you guys have some salads that you are eating right now that you think are good recommendations, don't be afraid to put them down in the comments down below. And if you like the salad that I'm making, yeah, feel free to comment as well. So let's make this salad. I got some salmon that I bought at the store, dried cranberries, hemp seed, and some lettuce. Put some cranberries. Smoked salmon, hemp seed, very quick and easy. The salad is done. You can top it off with some dressing. I prefer using vinaigrette because those are the healthier choices. So you can put dressing on here, but I'm just gonna have mine just like this. That's my salad. Very nutritious. So you guys get to see my yummy salad, yes, that I'm having right now, and this is like always delicious. So delicious. Even without dressing, it's delicious. Excuse my fork. I don't have people coming over, so I don't even know where the forks are. After all, I don't even eat desserts anymore. So yeah, let's dig in and get a bite. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is yummy, guys, yummy. I can't wait to wrap up this video so I can finish my salad off camera, yeah, because that's my dinner for tonight. And the home remedy drink that I was making on the stovetop is ready, and I'm gonna pour it in glass. So I'm just waiting for a little bit so that it could cool because, you know, heat and glass, yeah. I'm gonna be using this glass. You can get this at any dollar store, Cantu, Daiso. Yeah, I really love them because it has a handle. So I'm gonna be using this glass. So I'm gonna pour the drink in and then I'm gonna be right back. It's finished. Now let's pour. The drink is finished, and I drink this every single morning before I eat anything at all. You can drink it before you brush your teeth or after you brush your teeth, it doesn't matter, but I drink this every single morning before I start to eat anything. I have been doing this for a couple months, since April 8th. I saw drastic results in my conditions, and I didn't even have to take a pill this month for my period cramps. So I recommend this drink to anyone who is suffering from period pains like myself. Yes. And I'm gonna leave the exact amount of whatever I put in here in the description, so be sure to check that out. It's still a little hot because I just took it out of the pot, so I'm not gonna be holding this for too long. But yeah, guys, I've been drinking this every single day for a good while now. I've seen tremendous results, and I hope this will help you guys. If it does, don't be afraid to comment down below and let me know how it has helped you. When I look in the mirror, I'm like, damn girl, like, do you think you really need to exercise? Yeah, that's how good this thing is. And yeah, I'm gonna exercise, but yeah, I was like, oh my goodness, like literally. Anyways, it's not about my weight, it's about my entire health and my well-being. So yeah, I'm trying to reduce my fibroids, shrink them with this drink. And yeah, hopefully I will be able to give you guys a review on all that happens in the future. So yeah, this is my go-to drink. Thanks to my mom for providing me with the home remedy ingredients. And yes, guys, change up your diet, because that's what I did. I just changed my diet. I started eating right. I cut a lot of carbs. I cut meat altogether. I cut dairy altogether. It's something that I can't do without. I actually was able to cut it out. Change up your diet. Drink this every morning before you eat anything, and I'm sure that you guys will see some absolutely amazing results. Now, this is not a promotion or anything, it's just something that has worked for me, and I just wanted to share it with y'all because I'm happy. Like, I didn't have any pains. Can you believe that? Like, girl, I felt like I was in heaven. I was like, where am I? Like, am I still here? But yeah, I didn't feel any pains, so that's why I'm excited, and that's why I wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope it will help you guys. The peppercorns in the bottom, you can drink them if you like. I sometimes drink them. It's a lot, so I don't drink all of them, but yeah, you can also drink these if you like, because it's good. It's not hot and spicy because it's all boiled out, so it's actually pretty good, and they're spices, so yeah, it was really nice. That about sums up today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and if you want to see more videos like this one, then yeah, please stick around to my channel and share it with your friends. But until next time, guys, see you guys. Bye.